Good morning. Yes, today we are leaving the Tryon area. We are headed up Interstate 26 all the way up through Hendersonville, through Asheville, into a place called Weaverville. We got an appointment there. After that, we got to do a bunch of errands and head home. We're leaving at 79% here, or you miles people, 258. So I think we're good to go. If we look at the trip meter, I've reset it. And there you go. Let's go. Here's a fun fact. I usually charge my car to 80%, unless, of course, I'm going maybe to Charlotte or Atlanta or something. I'll bump it up higher than that. Normally around town, it's all you need. If I look at the number of miles, it's 258 miles. And I will say that if you're driving more than 258 miles in a day, then you may need to charge on the road in a supercharger. But today's adventure, maybe 150 miles or so. We'll see. The weather is changing here in North Carolina. We're finally getting some warm weather, which is absolutely awesome. So hopefully in the next few weeks, we're going to see warmer weather overall. Maybe a little rain here and there, but not bad. What a nice day. 60 degrees, sun's out, not many clouds, just some high wispy stuff. Not bad. What an awesome day. Golly. After all the cold weather and the rain, it's looking pretty good today. No sign of leaves yet. Soon though, maybe. And guess where we are? Yeah, Hendersonville and all the traffic. We missed the rush hour. It is 9:30, but hopefully it'll be clear sailing here. Here's another Google anomaly. It wants us to get off the highway, make a U-turn, get back on the highway. I'm waiting for the new map update. Can't come too soon, I think. And more construction. We're up here at Long Shoals Road near Asheville, and the construction madness continues. Yep, been driving autopilot the whole way. With all of the chicanes and everything, it does well. Not much to see here, just getting into the Asheville area. We're going to transition on Interstate 26, which used to be 1923, through Weaverville. Now northwest of Asheville, heading to Weaverville today. And there's no sign of leaves here either. Maybe a bud or two, but we'll see. We are at our first appointment. Gonna be here a little bit and then on to the next. This is Woodfin, Weaverville. Let's have a look at our trip meter. 49 miles to get here, 15 kilowatt hours at 311. Not bad. All right, we're heading south, headed to lunch. Where are we going? We're going to Casa Torres again. Awesome. Let's go. We're back on Interstate 26 now, headed south. Gonna get off in, Airport Road in 10 miles, looks like. Yes, more construction now. It's coming in from the north, heading south. Here's a fun fact. This is the overpass for the Blue Ridge Parkway. And it's an old bridge, so they're replacing it. And if we look here at this new construction, they took this bridge and completely met in the middle. Isn't that weird? From both sides. That's some measurement there. We are off the interstate, just here at a place called Airport Road. And I missed the off-ramp. It was a quarter of a mile back from where it was due to the construction. So we got a tour of the next exit. Anyway, we're just about there. Just around the corner now. Oh, yeah. $47% at lunch. We have left lunch, heading down to our favorite hardware store, the Home Depot. Yes, darn construction goes on forever. We're just off the freeway, or interstate as they call it around here. And next stop will be the new Hendersonville Tesla supercharger. Just opened up a week ago and haven't driven through there, so we'll do that. Pretty congested area here generally. No, not for the supercharger.
Now turn right onto Coolidge Street.
And we have Panera Bread here, and right behind that, it's in the Goodwill parking lot, is supercharger. I saw it during construction, but I haven't actually driven through it here, so let's see what we got. Yeah. This is a 12 stall version 3, and it's located right behind the Panera Bread. And there is one pull-in spot. It's kind of interesting
now turn
looking.
Right.
And it's okay. If you got a trailer, it's great. All right, well, there you go. Hendersonville Supercharger. All right, let's head to the depot.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Four Seasons Boulevard. Then turn left onto Hyder Street.
No.
That's silly.
It doesn't know where it's going. Yeah, more stuff from the depot. You need a TV? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, all kinds of goodies. Had to stop, get a few things here, and we found these shelving. They used to be $100. They're like it's all chrome. Got a bunch of them. And then they decided to raise their prices to $120+. So now these are on sale for $100. It's a good deal. You can put all your gear on it. Model Y does it again. All the delicate stuff's in here. And all the heavy stuff, including that big giant rack and the water there and the air filters. All right, I think we're good. Got one more stop. We got to get some limes. We are just leaving the Sam's Club here, and 42% miles, folks. 138 miles. It's nothing. Looks like we probably have 25 by the time we get home. We got one more stop to do. We are making our way to the interstate just up ahead. Got a little traffic going on here. It is, what is it, Monday today? No, Tuesday. It is Tuesday afternoon, about 3:07 p.m. local. We are off the highway. Next stop, grocery store. And here it is. Press the button, opens the hatch, you plug it in. In the morning, it's ready to go. I made it home, yes, 35% left in the battery, and that's 114 miles of range. That was a good day. It was quite a long trip. Let's have a look here. 111 miles, all the way to get my teeth cleaned. 31 kilowatt hours at a rate of 276 watt hours per mile. All in all, it's pretty easy. So what's the takeaway from this video? Well, you can own an electric car like the Tesla Model Y, plug it in at night, it's ready to go in the morning, and you come back and you're done. This 73 kilowatt hour battery, so we use probably, I'm going to say about 40 kilowatt hours. And we used 111 miles of range. I get 44 to 46 miles for 1 hour of charging at 11,000 watts. 11,000 watts is $1.10 here if I pay for it. So it's $1.10 divided by the miles, say 45 miles. I divide 111 by 45 and I get so today probably cost me $2.50 for driving 111 miles. All in all, owning an EV is very cost effective. You charge it with very cheap electricity and you get to drive the darn thing for next to nothing. It's actually a really great deal. If you like today's video, go ahead and give me a like. Go ahead and pass it on to your friends. I'm sure they would enjoy the content. And if you're not already a subscriber, I would appreciate it if you would. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in the next video and take care.